In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category in Zendesk. We'll be walking through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently organize your triggers with ease. Whether you're completely new to Zendesk or simply looking to refine your support desk setup, this tutorial is here to help guide you through the process. To get started, you'll first need to navigate your way to the Business Rules section. This is where you'll find the area we need to focus on for creating new categories. Head over to the Admin Center, where you will then locate the Objects and Rules section. Under this, you'll find the Business Rules and finally, the Triggers. This is the spot where you'll spend most of your time configuring your triggers and adding categories. Once you're in the Trigger section, it's time to add your new category. Look for the Add Trigger drop-down that you will find here. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, when you see the option to create category, simply click on it. This will allow you to start setting up your category from scratch. Now, it's time to think about what you'll name your new category. Naming it clearly and succinctly will help keep everything organized and easy to find later on. Consider what triggers you'll be keeping under this category, and based on that, select a name that accurately reflects what it's for. Once you have decided on a suitable name, go ahead and enter it into the field provided. The next step is straightforward. Simply click the Add button, and just like that, your new category is officially created within Zendesk. But we're not done just yet. Now that you have your category ready and waiting, it's time to get organized. You have the power to shape your Zendesk setup to best suit your needs. You can add new triggers that directly align with your newly created category, helping you keep things sorted from the get-go. Alternatively, if you already have existing triggers that fit the category, you can move them into this new grouping. This flexibility is a huge advantage when it comes to tailoring your Zendesk experience to be as efficient and neat as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a category in Zendesk. This simple yet effective way of managing your triggers means you can streamline processes and make navigating Zendesk an intuitive, straightforward task. Remember, an organized support desk is a productive one, so taking the time to set these categories will benefit you and your team in the long run. I hope you found this guide helpful and you can implement these steps into your daily routine with confidence. Thanks for watching.